show you our Isuzu MUX. This is the one which is 2019 and which was crushed from right side. So let's get started. Starting with the front, as you have seen my previous video in which this was just crunched from here this way. This was not there in that car, in that photos, but now it's all ready from the inside. These are all the parts of which took to align this properly, and under the hood I can't open this because it is touching over here, so I can't open it. But from the rear it was not damaged from the rear, so it is having it and from this side all done. So it is late, we are going to start work in the morning. Next day, and we are going to work in the interior of this thing. So let's get started. till now is we have cleaned this, and we can install tail lights because we have installed the blower unit at the back. We can't install tail lights because we have to install wiring. We can't install wiring. So this is going to be it for this video. In the next video we are going to do some more progress on this Isuzu MX. So thank you for watching. Like, share and comment. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.